Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Masking Master is probably one of the most underrated tools in a painter's arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. This isn't just about slapping tape on a surface, it's about achieving razor-sharp lines, protecting your surfaces, and ultimately, saving you time and frustration. So, if you're ready to elevate your painting game, stick around as we dive into the world of masking tape dispensers. Number 5. ScotchBlue Painter's Tape Applicator. Introducing the ScotchBlue Painter's Tape Applicator. This handy tool comes with a starter roll of tape, making your paint prep faster and easier. It's the perfect solution for achieving professional-looking results. This applicator applies tape in one continuous strip, ensuring clean lines. The sharp blade provides a straight cut every time, giving you the precision you need for any painting project. Featuring a circular grip and a felt pad, this applicator glides smoothly. It makes applying tape to trim, baseboards, windows, and door frames a breeze. The included tape is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It resists UV rays, sunlight, and moisture, making it a versatile choice for any project. The tape is made from 45% renewable resources and the core is made from 70% post-consumer waste. You can reload and reuse the applicator with a new tape roll when needed. Apply the tape and let it set for 30 to 60 minutes before painting. When the paint is dry, remove the tape slowly at a 45-degree angle for the best results. What we like. This applicator applies tape in one continuous strip, ensuring a clean and precise line. It's perfect for trim, windows, and door frames, making your paint prep a breeze. If you are looking for a tool that simplifies your painting process and delivers professional results, you should consider this. What people say. It's very easy to use and allowed me to tape off my baseboards and door trim in no time. What's great is by holding it against the wall while running on top of the baseboard, it ensures the tape-to-wall gap is consistent. I then ran a small bead of caulk along the tape and painted the area while the caulk was wet, then pulled the tap, while paint caulk is wet, and it create near-perfect straight lines. Lays flat, straighter than before and switching out rolls is easy. There's a little applicator roller that uses static to keep the tape end lifted so you don't have to try and unpeel it between uses. Number 4. ScotchBlue Tape and Paper Dispenser. Get ready to paint with the ScotchBlue Tape and Paper Dispenser. This handy tool helps you prepare and protect your surfaces in one easy step. It's the perfect solution for your painting projects. This tape dispenser dispenses masking tape and paper at the same time. It lets you cover more surface area faster than using tape and paper individually. The 6-inch plastic blade allows for precise cuts. It's great for baseboards, trim, cabinets, fixtures, windows, and doors. This painting tape applicator covers small and large areas to help protect surfaces from paint splatters and drips. Use it to protect your surfaces. The painter's tape applicator is ideal for applying masking paper and tape indoors. It's the perfect tool for your next indoor painting project. This will make your painting easier. It works with up to 12-inch masking paper and any ScotchBlue painter's tape, Scotch painter's tape or Scotch masking tape with a 3-inch core and widths from 0.7 to 1.88 inches. Make sure you have the right tape. Let the firmly applied paper and painter's tape set for 30 to 60 minutes before starting to paint. When the paint is dry to the touch, lift the tape up slowly to remove at a 45-degree angle. This ensures a clean finish. What we like. This dispenser applies masking tape and paper simultaneously, saving you time and effort. The built-in blade allows for precise cuts, ensuring your surfaces are well protected. If you are working on indoor projects and want to cover large areas quickly, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This does come with a blade. Plus having the tape connected to the paper allows you to lay longer strips at a time without it getting stuck to itself. Easy to use and works as advertised. Use good quality tape and be amazed. Number 3. Tape and Drape Pre-Taped Masking Paper. This pre-taped masking paper combines premium masking paper and painter's tape. You can easily trim it to the size and shape you need. It quickly protects surfaces, saving you time during painting. The automotive paint masking paper has a strong and stable adhesive, leaving no residue. It ensures super sharp lines without any bleed. Compared to others, it's wider and has better adhesion, and less prone to tearing. Made of 40 GSM machine-glazed brown craft paper, it resists tearing and offers high penetration resistance. This provides stronger protection than plastic masking film during house painting. This masking paper and tape is suitable for various surfaces like metal, glass, and wood. It helps achieve perfect paint jobs with precise edges while protecting floors and furniture from paint splashes. The paint masking paper is super easy to apply. The roll design, folded in half, allows you to unroll and stick it firmly. Then, cut or tear it to evenly cover the object you want to protect. What we like. This pre-taped masking paper combines masking paper and tape for quick and easy application. It adheres strongly and leaves no residue, ensuring clean lines. If you like saving time and effort while protecting your surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. This was a lifesaver when we painted our living room. So much better than taping newspaper. Great product. Worked as it should. Tape stuck well. Perfect if you are a painter. The adhesive is strong enough to hold firm. Number 2. Foampro 149 Tape Cap Compact Tape Dispenser. Introducing Tape Cap, the solution for all your DIY projects. This innovative tool ensures straight cuts and easy tape access, eliminating tears and sticky situations. It simplifies your work. Say goodbye to uneven edges. This cutting guide ensures precision, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional. It helps you create flawless results. Taping corners has never been easier. The corner cutting feature simplifies tricky angles. It saves your fingernails and delivers clean corners. Keep your tape at your fingertips. This dispenser securely holds the tape, ensuring it's always within reach. Stay organized and ready for your next project with it. From labeling to arts and crafts, this versatile tool is your go-to solution. Easily create labels and more. With it, precision, convenience, and creativity converge to bring your ideas to life. What we like. This tape dispenser ensures straight cuts and perfect corners, making your DIY projects a breeze. It simplifies corner taping and keeps tape conveniently at your fingertips. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor looking for a versatile tool, you should consider this. What people say. Always having a straight edge is especially great for corners. And we appreciate that with the tape cap the free edge of tape on the roll is easily accessible. Rigid, sturdy material. Holds its shape even with forceful tears on tape with strong adhesion. Number 1. IDL Packaging Masking Kit, 9x 60 yards. This kit has everything you need for your painting or renovation project. It includes masking paper, tape, and a dispenser. It's the ultimate masking solution. The kit features brown masking paper, perfect for protecting surfaces. It's resistant to moisture and ideal for use with water-based materials. This paper is great for windows, doors, and floors. The white masking tape is easy to remove and leaves no residue. It's designed for general use and protecting areas from paint. The tape is easy to tear and has an effortlessly released adhesive. The manual dispenser helps you cover areas of any size quickly. The ergonomic design allows you to unroll paper and tape at the same time. It also comes with a built-in blade. IDL Packaging is committed to providing top-quality products. They value their customers and offer products carefully chosen by packaging experts. They even use these products themselves. What we like. This masking kit includes everything you need for your painting projects, with an ergonomic dispenser for easy application. The included paper is made of recyclable materials. If you are looking for a comprehensive and eco-friendly masking solution, you should consider this. What people say. Handy. Easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.